Introducing the Advin Laparoscopic Monopolar Electrode, J-hook, a reliable instrument designed for safe and effective dissection in minimally invasive surgery. The J-shaped tip provides excellent control for precise cutting and coagulation, especially around delicate structures. Manufactured from medical-grade stainless steel with superior insulation, it ensures safe energy delivery and long-lasting durability. The slim design allows smooth passage through trocars, while the ergonomic handle offers comfort and precise control. The Advin J-hook